Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for 9th of July. And in yesterday's video I actually did talk about how SLP is gonna kind of come down to this level and fall down into the support here, and we exactly did that. So you can actually see SLP trying to move in this range a little bit until 19th of July, until it doesn't really pop up and go for that almost 10%, 20%, 27% move to the upside. So that was an amazing entry, by the way. This one right here, just right on the money, just where you have that some sort of a wick down here, and then it's like you take some people's stop loss, fall down to the support, continue to make this ascending triangle. So finally we got the answer. It is an ascending triangle. The technical target actually comes from this top here of the triangle to the bottom of the triangle, and it takes you up here to that level. Now there is a resistance, and it seems like it's gonna retest this particular resistance right there. Do you see that? So be careful. Maybe it's just a retest, and find resistance up here and then try to move down as well, because by the end of the day it's quite important to put this out to your notice that you do have one touch there, second touch of support here, and another support there. Then you lost it, but you never really went back for the retest, and it might be just go back for the retest and fall. The better scenario will be cross the retest, hold it, and then you're going to continue higher in the future. But that's something we're going to look forward to. First of all, it's really important to continue and break this level and go up here to that level as well. And that's it for this quick update on SLP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.